Welcome back to our channel. MOG Coin reached an all-time high of 0.0000311 at the end of 2024. Currently, the price is around 0.000000376 after dropping 17% over the past month and 27% in the past year. Despite the dip, overall growth has been massive. Trading volume is up 19%, with $16.22 million in volume today, showing active interest. MOG Coin is already listed on Coinbase, BitGet, MEXC, Gate, IOQ Coin Crypto, Kraken, and more. In total, it's listed on 66 exchanges. A Binance listing is expected soon. The community is strong, with over 1.2 million followers on Twitter. Regular updates continue to build confidence. If market conditions improve and Binance confirms listing, MOG Coin could break its previous high. Price prediction for the end of 2025 *. If momentum continues and listings expand, MOG Coin could target between 0.0000500 and 0.0000800, depending on market strength and community activity. Hold and watch key updates. 2025 could be another big year for MOG Coin. Like the video and subscribe for more updates.